Melting in this heat. Understanding everyday English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and vivid expression that you might come across in English conversations, especially during the summer months, melting in this heat. This phrase is a perfect example of how English speakers often use hyperbole or exaggeration to express their feelings. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some related expressions that can enrich your English vocabulary. Melting in this heat is a metaphorical expression used to describe a person's response to extremely hot weather. Just like ice cream melts under the sun, suggesting it's losing its form due to the heat, a person saying they're melting implies they're feeling overwhelmed or uncomfortably hot. It's important to note that this phrase is exaggerated. The person is not actually melting but is using the expression to vividly describe their discomfort. This expression is typically used in casual conversations, often as a humorous or dramatic way to complain about the heat. It's common in countries experiencing hot summers or in situations where the temperature feels unusually high. Examples in sentences: I can't stay outside any longer. I'm melting in this heat. Can we go somewhere with air conditioning? I feel like I'm melting. Remember, while the phrase is informal, it's widely understood and can be a playful addition to your vocabulary when talking about the weather. To broaden your understanding, here are a few related expressions that English speakers use to describe feeling hot. It's like an oven out here, comparing the hot environment to an oven, emphasizing extreme heat. I'm sweating buckets, indicating that someone is sweating a lot due to the heat. Boiling, simply another way to say it's very hot, likening the temperature to boiling water. Understanding these expressions can help you engage more naturally in conversations about the weather, a common small talk topic. We hope this video has shed some light on the colorful expression, melting in this heat, and other fun ways English speakers talk about the weather. Remember, learning these expressions not only helps you understand native speakers better but also adds flair to your own English. Stay cool, and see you in our next video.